Hello from Tash Tyres. I've got an Audi A4 here on a 2008 plate. Just doing the wiper blade on this, only on the driver's side. We'll show you how to do it. This is the part number for the driver's side, and for the passenger side is slightly smaller. I'm assuming it's 20 inch, but on the driver's side is 24. We'll just show you how it's done. Now all you got to do first, put the wipers on service mode. If I switch the ignition on, you can see right there. All I do now is go through settings, right. Now all I need to do is press from these buttons, function from here, press the car. As you can see right in the middle, I'll go down, go into wipers, press OK. So this is the button I need to press OK, press OK again, twist, turn to the right or left, press OK. As you can see now, that's in service mode. So all I do now is switch the car off, get out of the car, and now I can pull this back now easily. That's all you had to do to get it in service mode. But once you've got it in service mode and you've got the wipers up, you then push this button in and then gently pull the whole thing out. That's what you got out. Now the new ones are here. So you've already got an arrow sign there on the wipers. Now the one that I'm thinking, because you've got quite a few different ones right here. So what I'll do, I'll try first, see which one's the right one. So this one here is not the right one, definitely. This one here would not be the right one again. I'm guessing it's gonna have to be this. Yep, that's perfect. All I now do is slot that in there. That's it, it slots in. Sorry, I'm working on my own, so recording and putting things together. All I now do is on the back here, you can see, right, so you've got these little clips here, so this needs to slot in between. Once you slot it in, it has to go in, and then you've got to watch out for the gap here as well, and then you push it in till you hear it click. That's all clicked there now. You then put it back down, switch the ignition on, get to the wiper mode, press OK, press OK again, and then switch off. That's all done. That's all you got to do on this particular model. Pretty much all the Audis do have the service mode on them, so just if your Audi is this and you've got the car, or any Audi that has a car, you'll have a function where you can go into windscreen and put it in service mode and get the wipers replaced like that. Thank you, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you, bye bye.